说几句英文。
Thank you everyone. Thank you for support. OnePlus 6.
This is the CEO. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Cool. Yeah. Sure.
Thank
Thanks.
you.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Sami, and today we are at the OnePlus 6 pop-up, and let's check out.
这个没用过啊，三星这个。
怎么能用三星的呢？我想买。Ladies and gentlemen, so we've been there for more than an hour, and seems we're not gonna start anytime soon. So I'm just gonna hang around, wait till maybe 1 hour later, and come back. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so what I'm holding now is a OnePlus 6, the Chinese version. Since I cannot get inside, so I'm just gonna do a hands-on video right here, alright? So sorry about the light, sorry about all the audio thing, but anyway, just hope you guys understand that. So this is the OnePlus 6. Actually, it feels much lighter than I thought because. Okay, thanks. That's a wider version. It's much lighter than I thought, and the hand feel is good, not that bad. It's just a lighter screen. So when you light up, you can see this notch here. It's just from iPhone, right? Personally, I really don't like this notch thing, but I've seen some reviews from the YouTube that said some really big YouTubers said they're okay with this notch, but obviously I'm not okay with it. As time is really tired, so I'm not gonna illustrate that. You can turn off this notch thing in the software. Some people say, what's the difference between the Chinese version and the international version? Mainly about the OS. The hardware aspect is the same. I'm gonna take a few pictures of my wife. I don't know why this shit. It features the 16 megapixels primary camera and the 20 megapixel secondary camera, which is for the in-depth effects. So it got large pixels. It should be better in this low light environment. Since I cannot view it on computer or something, I don't know the details, but you can check out other YouTubers review or whatever. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. So now we and I went outside, and we just attended this pop-up activity started by OnePlus. I think generally it's a not so great activity because lots of fans didn't even have a chance to go inside the shop. I don't have a chance, I'm so famous, I didn't even have a chance to go inside. And that's really sad. And also my wife is pregnant and I didn't have a chair. And the workers, the staff here, don't give a shit. So I don't think that's good, alright? OnePlus, if next time you have such activities, you better find a bigger place and give away more snacks, more water, just treat your fans a little bit better, alright? Okay, and my view about the OnePlus 6, if you ask my experience or my view on it, I would say don't buy it. Why? Because OnePlus 6 doesn't have any standout or X factor features. Doesn't have any. You see, Galaxy X, you see Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus, they always have this mechanical aperture. Xiaomi Mi Mix 2S, you know, have this beautiful full screen display. And even iPhone 10, they have this kind of unique feature. It's expensive, right? The price is expensive, at least it's one of the features. But OnePlus 6, I don't see any standout features. It doesn't even support wireless charging. It doesn't support waterproof resistant. You may have seen a lot of reviews from YouTube, like those big YouTubers, they say really good things about OnePlus, but I don't think it's a good phone. At least it's not a unique phone. But my wife just said, okay, at least it's some kind of unique. It has this Avengers edition. That, man. I went there watching the Avengers and I literally fell asleep. I don't even like the Avengers movie. Anyways, so we'll just stop here, right? If you ask my opinion about the OnePlus 6, I don't think it's a great phone. It's just a mediocre phone. If you really want to buy, if you are really a big fan of OnePlus, wait till OnePlus 6T. Maybe will be released very soon, or just go to the Xiaomi. Xiaomi will be released a phone, a good phone, at least a good phone, at the end of this month. So, that's my opinion. Thanks for watching and see you next time.